select your piece, analyze, label sounds, choose the threshold at which you'll place all the labels, underneath the peak level for instance. My song has a lot of silences, so it'll add a lot of labels. I happen to know that there are 3 parts only, and I know they're approximately here and here, so I'll delete all the extra ones. And I can move them manually myself later. Now, sound 14 for example, Ctrl scroll to zoom in and out, Shift scroll to move side to side. Now I want to silence, a little bit of silence, before each of these parts. That's good enough. And then at the start here as well. You can split a track manually by left clicking and holding Ctrl and then press I, in which you can then select the part you want to delete, press delete on your keyboard. If you want, you can now move everything to the left. You can see the yellow line there blocking it. Now, here is what the file name will be called. I prefer to have the same name as it will be displayed in a program, for example, like Windows Media Player Legacy. And I have the 3 songs here. You can go into Edit, Metadata Editor, and the artist name, whom here is Mendelssohn. Whoops. Not preferences. Metadata Editor. Album title is Opus 28 F minor Fantasy. The year is 1833. Classical and romantic. Okay, we're done here now. Now select everything, export audio. You can give it a name like 28 Mendelssohn. This doesn't really matter, I don't think. You choose a place to store it. For me that's music, Mendelssohn, and Opus 28 F moll. This is where I want to store my files. MP3 files. And the file quality the sound quality on my files is very low because I downloaded off YouTube. So I'll keep it at the lowest. Multiple files, you want multiple MP3 files. Keep it on labels because that's what we're basing it off. And I prefer to have my file names just having the label name. That's it. And now you can double check the metadata here. So the track number 1 automatically placed by this label here is 1. 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, I agree. Export. Once it's done exporting, you can close the Audacity program, no problem. Don't need to save the project. Okay, it'll tell you where you stored it as well. Now I'll double check if it's come up. Opus 28 F minor Fantasy. We're done. Excellent. Now our files are in the place we saved them. You can see, because I chose to have the label name saved instead of putting the track number before, so 01 con moto agitato. Anyways, properties, details, and you can double check if you wish. Mendelssohn, the album name I gave it, the year, the genre. And that's it. Bye.